What up guys, Miguel here from Yugatech, and we're back at it again with an unboxing and hands-on. This time we have the Realme 11 Pro 5G. I know. Did the Realme 10 Pro just come out earlier this year? Well, that's Realme. Let's dive in. Alright, so getting into the box, we're greeted by a pamphlet that says, hey, welcome to the Realme family. So inside this pamphlet type of box thing, we have paperwork, quick start guide, SIM ejector tool, and a jelly case. Under those things, we have the unit itself, slipping it out. Ooh, check out that beige vegan leather over here. And let's power that on and set that aside for now. And under that, we have a USB Type-C to A cable and a 67-watt SuperVOOC flash charger. Alright, pushing that all aside, let's get into the device. So the Realme 11 Pro 5G features a 120Hz curved AMOLED display that looks pretty good and vibrant out of the box. Alright, let's check out the speakers real quick. So I've loaded something up on YouTube. Right, so the Realme 11 Pro 5G features dual stereo speakers and it's pretty good. I believe it's at the Oppo Reno 10 base model levels. So it gets pretty loud with not a lot of low end, but the mids and highs are pretty clear. We don't have an audio jack on this device. It's not here, but the build does feel pretty good. Vegan leather. For SIM connectivity, we have a dual nano SIM card tray. That's what this looks like. It does not support micro SD card slot expansion. I guess that's usually a feature now found in base model non-pro devices, but you know, I'm sure people have options, although I don't really use a micro SD card for expandable storage anymore. Powering the device is a 5000 mAh lithium-ion cell, and it comes with that 67-watt SuperVOOC fast charger in the box. It runs on Android 13, skinned with Realme UI 4 on top, and features a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 6nm chipset. Our review unit is configured with 8GB of RAM with 4GB of extended memory up to 8GB, and it comes with 256GB of internal storage. The Realme 11 Pro 5G does come with a 12GB of RAM configuration with either 256 or 512GB of internal storage. For optics, it's rocking a dual camera setup comprised of a 100MP main sensor and a 2MP depth sensor. On the front-facing side of things, we have a 16MP selfie shooter, and here's a quick sample of that. Say hi for the camera, Earl! Overall, it's looking pretty good in this unboxing and hands-on. We've been finding this sunrise beige color hard to keep clean, but it's definitely a looker. For pricing and a more in-depth look at the Realme 11 Pro 5G, stay tuned for our full review. So, what do you guys think of the Realme 11 Pro 5G? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you found this video enjoyable, educational, or informative, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified for our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and that's been Earl. And we will see you in the next one.